discuss the evidence of Earth sphericity. Kindly mute, man. Okay, if you want to speak that time, you open. Another recording issue with that. Okay, so evidence. So how you people accept Earth is sphere, Andre? What are the things, man? Can you tell me? Can you tell me, man? How Earth how we call the Earth sphere, Andre? Balraje, mute Balraje. Say either speak or mute.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how is Earth sphere, Andre? You accepted? Is it Earth sphere? Illa flat?
No, sir. Sphere, sir.
Sphere.
Sphere, sir.
Sir, how you accepted here?
First, we by looking other planets also, sir.
Okay. Other planetary bodies, la?
Sir.
Planetary bodies is spherical. So definitely ours will be there. It's like a observation through telescope, and we able to find that one others are spherical. Then, man. What else? How you people believe?
Lunar eclipse, sir. Lunar eclipse.
Okay, fine. See, this lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, how many people have an idea, man? What is going to be lunar eclipse, solar eclipse?
Sir, shadow will.
Shadow? Yeah, shadow. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು?
ಸರ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂನಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಮೇಲೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಶಾಡೋ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? So normally, you tell me first this one, like Earth.
Satellite photos, sir.
Okay, I will explain this lunar eclipse one. Many people may not do. Then we'll say that other evidence. Okay. Earth, Sun, Moon. Sun, Moon, Earth. The position 1, position 2. Which position we experience lunar eclipse, man?
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. Anybody else has option 1, man? Can you other people answer here? Can you able to see? You all people able to see the diagram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So simple. See, how many days once we get full moon here?
30 days, sir.
15 days once.
15 days once. 15 days once. Every 15 days once we get no moon. Next 15th day we get a full moon. So between this one, exactly 29.5 days. That means 30 days. You able to see moon in mid-Sunday also, Naman, evening also, like 11 o'clock like that. You ever seen that kind of?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So same, because it's not exactly 30 days, 29.5 days. Really sidal movement, synchronic movement there. So not needed that much. Only thing you have to know on that, like see when simple. See, kindly mute Balraja. If you are not speaking, kindly mute it. Then when you listen, recording, then noise only. Okay, fine. So, what will happen? See, whether moon has light, man?
No, sir.
Okay. reality, the sun's light reflection only moons we able to see. Okay, truth another moon will be reflect sun throughout the year only. It all about what we able to see. So when this question is there, this time we able to see a full moon. If you standing here, we able to see full moon, no moon. This question
Full
will be
moon.
no. Enapa?
Full moon, sir.
Full moon, sir.
Full moon. Say, I say you that sun rays will hit on this one number. And here sun
Yes,
rays
sir.
will. So this side no sunrise. We able to see black body
No,
only.
no mundo, sir.
No munda. Truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see if a sun position is here. See, I can give another. Show you that one. See here, this is a full moon. This one is full moon. Can you see here dark space here?
Yes, sir.
So like this fading away agate. One day it will be no moon ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Only this one will be able to see. Then it become a no moon. So what will happen? Lunar eclipse ಅಂದ್ರೆ this time ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Be able to in this moon only we able to see the shadow of earth. So that one curvature ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So by seeing that one we confirm that one earth is a spherical antra. It's not flat. Okay. So you understood now this one.
Yes, sir.
Next. So next, what is the evidence? My next evidence ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Appearance of ship in sea.
Satellite photos.
Ship,
sir.
ship.
Okay, fine. Satellite photo election. Appearance of ship visibility ಏನಾದ್ರು ship visibility ಅವ?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay. See, ship ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. We call this portion as hull. Like this we have Naman. This portion we call as mast. So in a curvature, when you are standing here, the ship is traveling like this one. It's traveling andre. First you are able to see mastada. When it reach here, then only we are able to see the hull. When a ship appears over the distant horizon, the top of the mast is seen first before the hull. So if it is a flat andre, you are able to see the full whole ship in starting itself. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that's why we found that one curvature is there. That's why we are unable to see the ship, full ship. First we are able to see the mast, ಆಮೇಲೆ the hull. Flat andre we are able to see the entire ship. So in this one we confirm that one that the earth is a sphere andre. Then another person said aerial photography because of our satellites photos. In that we found that one earth is a spherical andre. Okay, anything else, man? No?
Rotation, sir. Earth rotation.
Aeroplane routes.
See, if earth is round or square or rectangle, it will rotate, na man. Anybody can rotate, na.
Sir, one side we'll get day and one side we get night, no, sir.
See, think like this. If a square is there, if you rotate, won't we get day and night?
Will be equal, sir. It will be equal, no, sir. When there is a flat surface, when there is a curve, only one side we get a light, and one side we get a
If a
drawn.
earth is a flat, either we get sunset or sunrise. Either you will be here, or you will be here. Sunrise or sunset. Because of the spherical in shape, we experience the sunsets and sunrise. Sunrise and also the sunset sunrise. See, when you are now, see, Bangalore now in a latitude, latitude of, longitude of 78, I think 82. 78 latitude we are there. We get a 6 o'clock sunset and sunrise and London is in the 0. After 5.5 hours only, they will get a sunrise. Different longitudinally, different parts of earth different sunrise is it because of this curve nature only. If it is a flat or like a flat shaped of rectangles, rectangle and square single time only every entire portion will get sunrise. See, simple here. If it is even though it is square, if it is rotate, in this side we able to see the sunrise, then another side we able to sunrise in a single shot. But because of the sphere only, same here one person able to see, after 5 hours, 2 hours only another person able to see the sunrise. So when you write sunrise and set, the sunrise and sets are different times and different places. Well, because of this sphere, that's why we able to see the sunrise and sunset in different parts and different timing. If it is a flat, if it is a square, if it is a rectangle, single time we able to see the sunrise and sunset. Got it, man? Any doubt in that what I said, you know?
No, sir.
Oh, understood here what I said?
Yes, sir.
Other people shall reply, man. It's fear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Then next, what is the next you accepted? This reality, NCRT geography, NCRT Nelly first page is
Sir,
will be there, this content. Next one.
one test is there, sir. One valley test, Brendan, like.
ಏನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪೋಲ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾನ್.
ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. Then I will tell you that one also. Then another one is who is the first person come around Earth, man?
Magellan.
So in 19, I think 1519 to 1522, 3 years for him it took for him to come around the Earth. Magellan. This also proved that one, like circumnavigation. By circumnavigation, it proves that one Earth is a circular in shape. Another one ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, see, if you are standing here, it's a flat surface. Okay, you able to see this one. Okay, same person if you're standing in a tall building, he able to see this also. This angle is up to here only, but this one able to see this one also. So when height increases, because of curvature only, height increase aitandre automatically able to see the deeper one.
Yes, sir.
So like it's called circular horizontal. As we can call the pole horizons, whatever maybe. So this is also one of the reason. Anything else is we have, man? People say that one because of gravity, like radius, like if a pole radius is like from pole radius and equator radius difference irutte. That's why we believe that one it is a flat. See, this is the. I can show you the picture. So normally, this radius from is less compared to the equator. So they believe that one pole is flatter compared to equator. So that also prove that one. Another thing also, visibility of pole star. When you standing in a pole star will be in which direction, man?
North.
North. So it will be here. So when you standing here, pole star will be visible like directly ahead of you only. It will be here only, directly ahead of you. But when you standing in illi ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we able to see that like this only. When you are standing here, we able to see like this only. So because of pole star visibility, changing in angle of pole star visibility also, we prove that one Earth is in a curve. If a flat shaped andre, wherever you stand, pole star will be here only. If you stand here, pole star will be here.
Yes, sir.
So these are the evidence. There will be 8 evidences there. If a question asks to discuss the evidence of Earth's periodicity, you have to answer to this one. So these are very like about solar system only. Earth's periodicity will be the normal question they will ask you. So next we will get into Earth crust, Earth layers. If a question asked like discuss the structure of Earth or explain the internal structure of Earth, internal structure of Earth. Andre question ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? First we have to vertical. See, usually how Earth get like heat up? Source of heat ಏನು Earthಗೆ?
Solar energy, sir.
Yeah?
Solar energy.
Some
Solar radiation.
Radiation. Okay, heat from the solar. Okay, fine. Solar sun is getting heat. That means the sun heat hit the heat andre it will go to up to this, like if normally vertically if you 6,500 kilometers at that. So you are saying that this heat will reach up to 6,500 andre. Okay, fine. Next. Is the light come here? What else, man? Anything is how internal Earth, inside Earth nalli how source of heat?
that what you call Jwalamukhi, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Jwalamukhi idantaralla sir.
See, usually inside here Earth, here ಜಾಸ್ತಿ heat ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. It's not because of the sunlight ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay? The lava, ಆ ಲಾವವೇ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? That's what we are asking. Okay? First, the how heat, first heat is we have andre heat from when the planet formed. That first time when the Earth may be formed, not like the disintegrated shape, that time heat produced because of heating and this. That time heat produced. Usually, say which gas first produced in an atmosphere?
Nitrogen, sir.
Water vapor the first.
Water.
Because of this one, fumes started from that only. Claims question na bad only thing water vapor. So that's only water vapor is very important compared to oxygen. Water vapor is the first evolved one. Okay, from that one other gases are formed. So anything else you want to say?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So water vapor formed. Then how another heat andre heat from a radioactive elements. Inside the earth, we have radioactive elements. From that, it produces more heat. As like uranium, whatever we are saying, those elements, like while decay decay time, it liberates heat. Okay, and also another heat frictional heating caused by frictional heating caused by denser core material. We're going to see that on how core okay. So this way the sources of, if a question asks you internal question, discuss the sources of heat and internal structure of earth. These are the sources of heat. Earth interior, I'm speaking, not surface earth heat, earth interior heat. Okay. So first we'll draw like this. Okay. So first, okay, fine. Not already. So it's a vertical section of earth, man. So first layer we called first as crust. This is continental crust andre we say. Continental crust. This is ocean crust where the water will be there. We call as ocean crust. Ocean crust. See, continental crust will be like we can say this one. It will be like 30 to 70 kilometer. Ocean crust will be 0 to 30 kilometer. So if you see thickness, ocean crust thickness is less. Continental crust is thickness is jasti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will happen? Keep always in mind this one. Like we have whatever rock volcano, we're going to say how volcano erupted, how earth crust formed and those things and that. In that only, if a more say, is there a closed structure there? Here we find like a lava. Here there are closed structure illa, less structure only. So when it pressed, squeezed, which one it will come first, man? Able to come this one, thicker material, denser material, easily will come out here, here.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, ocean crust.
I am asking that one. This is a closed one, man. We start squeezing this one. Like you keep in imagine that one carry bag only. One side is the continental like that. Tall block is there. Either only like thickness of the crust will be less only. When you squeeze it penetrating inside and going out is very tough to them. Denser material only dense less material able to go out. So it will come as a volcano erupted, that magma will come out. These type of thinner material, we call that as only granite rocks. Whichever able to come easily, it able to penetrate because the thickness is less. These are basalt rock. Some rocks are stay inside only for solidification. We're going to see rock cycle next topic. You come to know that one. This rock cycle, this solidified here only. It unable to penetrate here also, here also. We call this as a intrusive rocks. That means plutonic rocks, intrusive rocks. Intrusive means inside only it's solidified. Whenever it come out as a, we call as a extrusive rock. So our crust formed, whatever this continental crust is there, these are extrusive rocks. Mostly content of silica will be kadme irutte. Ocean crust easy to, ocean crust nalli denser material ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ less dense material than ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ continental crust ನಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so when it after that one up to 100 kilometer, this layer we called as a lithosphere. Kindly mute, man. Okay, after lithosphere we get a 130 kilometer layer we called as anthenosphere. It's like a plastic like structure. There will be bending in nature, ductile atara irutte. So like when lava, see usually that lava is nothing but here rock in a molten state, that is called lava. Okay, so when lava able to want to come peep out andre, this plastic structure like structure only give that it only allow it outside to the lithosphere. So this layer we call as a anthenosphere. After that we'll have a mantle. Mantle nalli upper mantle, lower mantle anta ide. Okay, so this entire portion we call as a core. Adaralli outer core, inner core anta ide. So this one is plastic structure, this one is will be solid state, mantle also solid state. Outer core will be solid state and liquid state, man.
Semi-solid, sir.
Liquid inner core solid in state. So here whatever we have those lava, this only peep out and we'll get as a volcano island formation alla agute. So idralli what you have to know who found like how the temperature will be there, how much will be there andre. So if you go to this lithosphere nalli, we get 870 Celsius temperature will be there. Okay, when you come to the end of the mantle, it will be like a 3700 Celsius we get. In outer core and inner core separates in that 4300 temperature will Celsius will be there. In the inner core at the end will be 7200 Celsius will be there. If you see kilometer, this only like approximately you can 6300 you keep. Somewhere 500 will be there, somewhere 300 will be there. Okay, like when where the outer core, inner core, here will be 5,000 separates, we call as 5100 kilometer will be there. And where the mantle and outer core area separates, we have 2900 kilometer will be there. Okay, then idralli discontinuity andre onde ide, means next layer forming that who found that one in discovered that one, that person name only they kept. Okay, so who found this earth crust lithosphere, who found that fellow name is Carnot andre fellow. We have his name Carnot discontinuity andre. Okay, who found this lithosphere and anthrosphere andre ide, that to be person fellow Morovic discontinuity andre we say. Okay, the person who found the outer core mantle difference ide, core mantle difference ide, his name is Gutenberg. So we call the place as a Gutenberg discontinuity. Gutenberg discontinuity, where that inner core outer core found by discovered by layman andre discontinuity. Okay, so normally that entire earth, like this layer of this inner earth to this layer we call as a base sphere andre we say. Okay, this entire from in outer core to handle we call as mesosphere. So these are the contentment. Like when the question asks you internal structure of earth crust and earth andre, these are the things you have to mention. What are Conrad discontinuity, Morrowby discontinuity, Vandenberg, Lehman discontinuity, inner core, outer core. Inner core is like solid in state. Why means because of high pressure. Because of high pressure, it convert into higher solid in state. Outer core will be liquid state. From here only, lava will percolate and go up because of pressure exert here. Will come to the mantle, entire mantle will be in a solid rock only. The area, if you found that one mantle only, volume of areas of mantle than ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ compared to inner core, outer core ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Temperature will be highest at inner core only. Got it, man? So these are the things you have to say as a when a question asked you on about internal one. There is a maximum what you can extract and add andre. Normally density increases, temperature also increases. Okay, fine, man. So another thing like what type of material, like in a crust nalli what type of material will be there andre, like continent crust nalli we have ಜಾಸ್ತಿ silica and aluminum we have. Ocean crust nalli silica and magnesium will be there. Wherever silica and magnesium we are extracting, whatever we are doing, mostly it will be ocean crust only. Silica and aluminum will be there in the continental crust. Okay, like inner core nalli, outer core, inner core nalli we have iron and nickel we have. Wherever we have iron ore mining idellappa. In Karnataka also we have iron core mining, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see this one. It always like a Deccan trap nalli. ಈ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಬೆಲ್ಲಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ದ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ volcano is erupted. Flat object na volcano erupted. If you see Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, this region only will find more all this mining and coal, everything will be here only because of this volcano erupted in the, like see normally na weaker structure only volcano will come peep out. When a good structure ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪೀಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಐರನ್ ಕೋರ್, ವೈ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಔಟರ್ ಕೋರ್ ಲಾವಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೆರಸ್ ಐರನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ where you find iron ore, those places are that volcano erupted only, those places. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we'll go to now rock cycle. The geomorphology portion only, man, this one. So rock cycle. See, we have how many type of rocks we have, man?
Primary rock,
Three
secondary
types, sir.
rock,
Broadly 3 types.
So primary rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ igneous ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ
primary rocks ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ igneous rock sir. Secondary rocks ಬಂದು sedimentary, tertiary ಬಂದು metamorphic sir.
Metamorphic. Okay, fine. See, igneous rocks andre these are 3 type of rocks, man. So normally first we'll say how the igneous rocks were emerged. Okay, so if it is a mountain ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this whatever lava, it will come out in a crater. It's like volcano erupted, we say, naman. It will come out.
Yes, sir.
This place, because of exposed to surface, is solidified ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Solidified ಅಂದ್ರೆ it become dry ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it become a hard rock ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. This type of rock we call as igneous. This type of rock ನಲ್ಲಿ what is the benefit ಅಂದ್ರೆ you won't find any layers. only there will be a single layer ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, there will be no layers won't be there. Single, that means there is we call that as a no strata. Okay, see anybody well ಇದೆಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
You have seen well, if you found layer by layer ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು igneous rocks ಇಲ್ಲ. Somewhere you will find a dark rock irutte. Okay, they will blast it by our that powder blast ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Entire rock will be like same color irutte. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ igneous rocks. If you've seen anywhere in your place nalli well nalli, you can see those things. Okay,
Okay.
Fine. So igneous rocks ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು igneous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what will happen ಅಂದ್ರೆ weathering ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆದರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆದರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆದರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಡಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಎರೋಷನ್, ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್,
Temperature.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. Anything else?
Ice.
Glacier.
Ice.
So okay, fine. So
Heat,
what will
sir.
happen? Enamma? Heat than temperature.
Heat, sir.
Heat is a temperature.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what will happen andre sun will hit and this was exposed to the sun. So what will happen? There will be small crack will come. The wind will blow on this one. The small crack and small pieces will start fall in next part. That means due to gravity start go down. Because of the rainfall, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, more water like by hitting the more rainfall from tall places, and that also split small granules there, it will deposit at one place. So one like again volcano will erupt, again this also will deposit like this. So because of this time period, like it doesn't happen in a single day alla, ಅದು over a million years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. Okay, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಾಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೋಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ sedimentary rock. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sedimentary rock. So same another rock ಏನಂದ್ರೆ metamorphic rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ we going to say, I will say you how the metamorphic rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Metamorphic rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ two type ಇದೆ. From sedimentary rock, a rock can become metamorphic. Otherwise, from my igneous, this igneous rock can become a metamorphic. ಏನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಥರ ವಲ್ಕನೋ ಎರಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ igneous rocks ಇದೆ, again volcano erupted, ಈ ಥರ ರಾಕ್ igneous rocks formed ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಟು ವೆದರಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರೋಷನ್, ಇದು ಎರೋಡೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. igneous rocks, because of pressure and these things, same, it become a compact ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This become a metamorphic. It never going to be, now also it never going to be a it never exposed to the surface. It become a metamorphic. Metamorphic andre dark, closed, very compact irutte, very like a type of very hard rock tara irutte. Because of pressure it become like, it maybe this size while starting, because of pressure it become a small size agutte. That type of rock we call as a metamorphic. This sedimentary rocks idellappa, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫಿಕ್ ರಾಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, say earlier I said na igneous rocks ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. In this, when the igneous rocks, in this igneous rocks metamorphic rock form ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ metamorphic rock ನಲ್ಲಿ we won't find any layers. here in a sedimentary, we can see the form the layer by layer. The layer color difference in igneous. Same from igneous, if the metamorphic rock formed, that metamorphic rocks does not have those type of layers. Dark single layer. Karangal. Ever heard that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, sedimentary. From sedimentary, either deposit agate, then layer by layer by layer by. Either many deposits are there. This also amount pressure on this last rock. Due to weathering, this portion will go again like this. But this one never exposed to the surface. Same, this also because due to pressure, it become a very hard rock. That we call also metamorphic rock. So we can say in a diagram, rock cycle, igneous, sedimentary, is a metamorphic. So igneous can become metamorphic. Sedimentary can become metamorphic. Igneous also can become metamorphic.
Yes, sir.
You got it, man. Understood that one. That's what I've explained. Metamorphic and any sedimentary type of metamorphic also form. Igneous type also will form. So normally, whatever layer we are saying here, whatever formed this one. So earth, we have plate tectonics. We have, see the earth, our lithosphere is because of this continental drift movement, we say. Like this two earth is this earth into one, either by compression force and these things. One will go deeper inside the earth, other one lift agat. That's how Himalaya form. When this portion is going inside this mantle, it will reach the inner core, outer core reach agat. It become a molten lava.
Molten lava, sir.
Again, it become whatever, maybe it may be sedimentary rock, it may be metamorphic rock, it may be igneous rocks. Again, it become a molten lava. If it is a peep out, it become a igneous rocks. So that's why we call igneous rock as a primary rocks. So if the same this one we call as endogenetic force, inside the earth force is that. Because of the inside earth force, this layers go inside. So like this only will be there. Like that only. See, our Himalaya earlier was there. Here we have Tethys Sea was there. We have this European plate we have. Both the plate are trying to contract each other. That time is sea is European plate is ocean crust plate. See, continental crust just thickness, ocean crust kadame thickness, but weight jasti, dense jasti. It will go subsidize agate. Subsidence will be there. So it's go inside. It will reach that outer core, it become molten. Okay. Next, after this Tethys Sea, we find an Indo-Australian plate. Okay. This plate, what will happen again, come and hit. This time, Indo-Australian also continental. The European plate also continental. What a European plate from China, what we have now, that European plate. Both are continental only. When each hitting each other, like contract each other, convergent agade, yathara agade, fold thara agade. Fold then now we call as Himalaya. Bend agade. When we hit each other, when continental crust, like simple, like it become like this. So this how that our Himalaya formed, man. Okay. So now only thing by this one, like when it go inside, become so this metamorphic one day can become a igneous also. Sedimentary also one day become igneous. but metamorphic never can be sedimentary. ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫಿಕ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? Yes, there will be a chance. ಈ ತರ sediment like metamorphic on rock become metamorphic because of high pressure and all like that become metamorphic rock andre because of weathering denudation happening. One day this metamorphic rocks exposed to the weather andre this also disintegrate and become sediment rock in some other place. So metamorphic also can become sedimentary rocks. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
Very boring, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, man. This is how it will be there. So igneous rocks, due to weathering and erosion, it becomes sediment because of pressure, compaction, cementation, it becomes sedimentary. Because of heat and pressure, this rock can become a sedimentary rocks, sorry, metamorphic rocks. Again, I lastly explained now, by exposed to weathering and erosion, it can become a sedimentary also.
Sedimentary rocks.
Igneous rocks also can become sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks also again become sediments. The chance ಇದೆ. Because of igneous rocks, heat and pressure, it become directly igneous to metamorphic. The same metamorphic I said, Naman, because of this go inside this one, these rocks are go inside this because of candle drift and all, it's become magma again. You got it, man?
Yes, sir.
This is the rock cycle. So now we have to know that one. What are the property of igneous rocks? What are the property of each rock property? We have to know this one. First, igneous rocks. Okay, so already I said that one igneous rocks will be first crystalline in nature. Crystalline in nature irutte. There will be no strata. Strata andre layers iralla. Okay, and also there will be no fossils iralla. Why fossil iralla andre? See, fossil fuel andre we are saying naman petrol, coal, whatever. Adala ಏನು ಅದು fossil andre ಏನು meaning? Any idea, man? See, when that igneous rocks idellappa, when magma came out, igneous rock formed. In this one sand, small sand irutte, tree ella grow agutte. Due to weathering and this thing, tree fell here, tree will fell here. Okay, above tree, this again all these rocks will be fell. Due to pressure, this become a peat to litmus to gold. Somewhere mixture of other chemicals, it become a what we say that diamond, those things, whatever we are saying, fossils and also petrol, crude oil. Ether only that there should be plants, that means living animals should be there. Wood then only these things will form. So when it fall and above this one, if other crust and like other material rocks are laid over that one, because of due to pressure, it become a fossil. These are not happen in single day, like it's not one tree. There will be a lot of lakhs of crores of trees also made of fall that one. So that we call as a fossil fuels. So in igneous rocks nalli fossil fuel chance illa, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ everything is melted. So fossil illa. Okay, it has high silica content. Why high silica? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
Answer. It's okay, fine. So this rock cycle, ignition, these are the points you should write, man. Crystalline, no strata, no fossil, high silicon granite. You should write in a sentence formation. I have seen yesterday class answer writing. Whatever I said, single point, you should not also write. You should frame a sentence in that one. Okay. Adರಲ್ಲಿ this English structurally, I already said like extrusive lux. If it is open to the surface like atmosphere, we call as a extrusive. If it's solidified down itself, we call as a intrusive rocks. Intrusive rocks also called as a plutonic rocks. Okay, fine. This how that you will find this igneous rocks. This is a very basic of igneous rocks. This is more than enough that one. No need to know that one. Adರಲ್ಲಿ volcanic type ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ basalt ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. Basalt extrusive rocks are basalt. Intrusive granite. Not much thing no need to know. Only this for mains writing like a crystalline the rock cycle nalli. Anyhow, we going to say rock then igneous crystalline, no strata, no fossil, high silica content. That one you have to say that one. Okay. Next, when we go to the sedimentary rocks nalli, definitely the first point will be these are stratified rocks. That means layers will be there. Definitely fossils will be there. I already explained how tree fall will be there after above that one, and non-crystalline nature, and also it will be a soft and fine grained earth. Fine grind will be there. Okay, so adರಲ್ಲಿ like here only we find example ಏನಂದ್ರೆ quartz, calcite. Okay, if it is sediment rocks only, like if it is formed along with adರಲ್ಲಿ two type ಇದೆ, calcareous and carbonate ಅಂದ್ರೆ calcareous and carbonaceous ಅಂದ್ರೆ. See the carbon with the tree fall nalli, if the sediment rocks is there, that only that it become a carbon content, peat, lignite, coal, and after this peat, after the lignite will be there. So only thing is the sediment rocks andre, you have to say it has a stratified rocks. The presence of a fossil will be there, and it is in non-crystalline nature, and soft and fine grain will be there. Example quartz and calcite you have to say. Okay, no need too much more deeper not needed. Only this that means that the 15 marks there, either 3 marks you can write this portion only. That is more than enough, man. Okay, you can't write much on those things. Otherly like we have formed like sediment rocks itself mechanically formed ide, chemically formed ide, then organically formed. Mechanically formed, whatever we are saying here, these are mechanically formed. This portion is mechanically formed because of weathering. These things mechanically formed. Chemically formed andre, it mixes with like a water and all, it becomes gypsum. Say our salt is allapa, iron salt we are, iodine salt we have naman.
Yes, sir.
ಅದೇ ಒಂದು type of sediment rocks ಅದನ್ನ fine grained ಇರುತ್ತೆ. When we are using gypsum for our field gypsum use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು sedimentary rocks தான். So ಅದು chemically processed one. And by nature also it will form, by man-made also we can form that, make that one. Okay, next we'll see about the, it's a mains writing naman, more prelims only, that more factual deeper is needed. Okay, next metamorphic rocks. So usually we call this as a tertiary rock. It formed due to high pressure and heat. High pressure and heat. It formed due to it's a territory rocker. So usually I already said to you that one if from igneous to metamorphic also form from sedimentary rocks also can become a metamorphic. Okay, so like if igneous to metamorphic that rock we call it as a volatile rock. There will be no layers. If a sedimentary to metamorphic, we call that as a non-volatile rocks. This rocks, both the rocks will be hard rocks only. Sedimentarily, it may be limestone. Limestone is an example for a sedimentary. When become metamorphic, it become a marble.
Marble.
Okay. See, like sedimentarily, coal, it became a graphite.
Anthracite. Graphite. Okay,
Graphite.
sir.
I mean, the anthracite. Okay. Like sandstone become a quartzite.
Quartzite.
Okay. So sedimentary. This is like that you have to give volatile, non-volatile under the tertiary tax, and also this it will be deep rooted there definitely because of high pressure. This for this one metamorphic will be formed, how it formed sedimentary, how it formed igneous, that you have to explain that one. So this one is a types of rock and rock cycle. If a question asks you, that you have to mention here. Okay. Next one, the easy question will make that one. See this one minute. Okay, can you see this question, man? Human migration is a continuous. Elucidate the statement, the different causes of migration. So what do you have to write it by this one? That's like normal migration. Why migration is continuous? What could be the different cause of migration, man?
Jobs or unemployment.
It's okay. Unemployment. Then what else?
Standard of living. Standard of living.
Kannada. Standard of living.
Standard of living.
Standard of living. Okay, for standard of living, people migrate. Okay, next.
Marriage in the case of girl.
Okay, marriage simply what? No need to be girl, boy. Marriage. Next.
Climatic conditions.
Climatic conditions. Comfort. Climate. Climate conditions.
The political unrest, sometimes wars.
Oh, yes, good. Political interest.
Poverty.
And because of climatical changes, sir, like landslides.
Yeah, that's why climate conditions like landslides, disasters, like disaster type. Next. We can say this one, Naman, like because of any mining project and this displacement of people will be there. Na? Dam construction.
High population, sir.
Because of high population, how migration will happen, man? People feel uncoupled, that's why they go to the next place. Is it? See, Bangalore, I think won't have one crore population. So people will move because of they feel it's like breathable illa, so they will go back. Is it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
The traffic pollution.
People are okay, fine. Discomfort with the environment. urban environment. We can say, na. Next one is a type of pull factor. Next, anything else?
Fertility of agriculture
For
land.
education purpose.
Agriculture?
Fertility of agriculture land reduced, hence they will go to other place to do agriculture.
That's why they become unemployed. Unemployed means that only naman.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What
For
else?
education purpose.
Education purpose. We migrate for education purpose.
Higher education, yes, sir.
Adala migration.
Temporary basis ಅಷ್ಟೇ sir. Temporary basis.
Okay, fine. New people want that also migration. We put migration, education. Next. Anything else, man? Saka?
ಸಾಕು ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದ್ರೆ.
Okay, fine. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ what we are missing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಇದಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆವಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
So how he continues according to the unemployment, that migration. We'll say one thing. The person will look for a job, they will come to urban area. Okay? In urban area, he may or may not able to get the job. Then he'll go to the next urban areas to get the job. Some people are there, they come to Bangalore, or they come to, see, Hasan, Halli, they come to Hasan first. Still they are unable to better earning illa andre, they will come to Bangalore. Okay? Maybe because of higher opportunity ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can unemployment ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ either he go back to Halli. That is called reverse migration. That's what happened in the during the COVID time. Many people move on back to their village. So that's called reverse migration. Again, it will come back. ಈ ತರ migration continuous ಇರುತ್ತೆ because of unemployment. That you have to explain because that's how continuous ಅಂದ್ರೆ word ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? When you simply mention push factor, pull factor andre answer iralla. It is not a proper answer. Continuous andre you have to substantiate that continuous word. Say if a person who are graduate like engineer become studied IT engineer andre enagutte, this fellow want to go to on-site America want to go. Then again he will find another next opportunity in Japan, then Israel. Again he come back to his original place. Better opportunity, better education, better skill, he will start move on to the next. But this migration will be continuous only. Isn't it, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same standard of living also. See, many people who goes to America, they never come back. Why? They find a better standard of living there. So what will happen? See, the person who is in Halli, they will come to maybe one city. A city nalli he won't find a better schooling iralla avanage. So he will move on to Bangalore. Then he found his job standard of living jasti in America nalli andre he go to America. From that he will go to the next place. ಆ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆ ತರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ಆ ತರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. People are Asylum people are there, Naman, who are like as Asylum, they live in one place like some other country they live. They feel unrest there. There also they move on to the next one. then move on to the next one where the rest is there andre ಆ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Same this like poverty and unemployment is interrelated only because of poverty move on irutte. This move on you have to explain man, illustrate the statement, write with examples only. You have to write this one with example. These are the causes of migration which is continuous also. You have to explain in this procedure. See, education idellappa, maybe for to study PUC we'll come to Bangalore. Maybe for bachelor degree we go to Delhi. For a post graduation we go to German. For a PhD we may go to America. This is continuous allappa.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
This factor you have to clearly have to mention man ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು 2020 KS mains question na ಇದು. Got it man?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Like say discomfort in urban, many people go to Delhi, now full Delhi ಇದು ಅದೇನು air pollution
ಹೌದು sir.
they move on to next place
Yes sir.
and discomfort say each if you want to write ಈ ತರ you can write say simple, otherwise it's another good ಏನಂದ್ರೆ you people might have read Maslow theory management ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir.
Like a basic need, social need, like psychology need, luxury need ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Yes sir.
Some people we move for basic need, either food, shelter, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೀಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Food,
Clothing, sir.
clothing. Once it's satisfied, they move on next to the social needs, health, education. Further, they will move on again. And again, they move on for luxury needs. Further, again, they migrate to psychology needs. See, if you see that old people, like 60 after retirement, they always move towards like a silent place. Some people, they move towards like a forest, like guest house, they will be there. Some people interested to live in this community village, community urban centers will be there. Like you can find like in our park, Bangalore park, you can see a lot of old people. They come, they laughing therapy. Why they stay in Bangalore instead of they going to village andre? Here they feel safety and security. Every need will be, we have done so. All needs will be come to doorsteps. These comfort, security won't be there in the village. ಆ ಥರ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್?
Yes sir.
So it's an easy question only. Human migration is continuous andre ಏದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can easily can explain. Fine. Any doubt on this human migration is continuous?
Yes sir.
Fine. So any other doubt you people have on this one, man?
No sir.
What about others?
No sir.
No, sir.
Fine then. Okay, fine. So, how many people submitted yesterday, man? I think only few submitted yesterday questions. Why other people not submitted yet? Submit mada istella. Why other people not submitted yet?
I will do it today, sir.
Today. Okay, fine. Okay.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
Geography sent to Inspire only, man.
Okay sir. I sent it sir. Yesterday night sent it sir.
I saw 1 p.m. 1 a.m. somebody sent, but I can't see 1 p.m. He will answer one science and technology question. We can answer one. Okay. So what is the question here? Discuss the importance and hurdles in universalization of science and technology literacy in India. So normally in a single word, what can we say? Digital India. Truth, man. That is the question, man. So either why important that one, and what is the problem it has? What to universal everybody able to learn science and technology literacy. Indian these are keywords. When you read in Kannada, in India, science and technology literacy should be universal. And to do that one, what are the why it is needed and what is the problem we face? And that is the question in reverse order. The question asked, discuss the importance and hurdles in universalization of science and technology literacy. Universalization means what is the mean, man?
Common all over, sir.
Everybody. Universal suffrage, voting suffrage. Then everybody can vote. Universalization of science and technology literacy. Science and technology is like digital, You ever heard this word digital
Gap.
Darwinism? Digital Darwinism ever heard, man? What is Darwinism? Darwinism theory, ಏನಪ್ಪ? Darwin's theory. Very easy.
Evolution of lives.
Like fittest can survey. Ever hear the fittest only can survey, Andre? No. Never heard of Darwin's theory. Fittest one only can survey in this world, Andre.
Yes, sir. Here.
As a digital Darwinism, whoever good with the digital, what digital that our mobile, the same. I am writing now, man. This writing also digital only. If I am not good with it, I can't survey. So the question is relevant to that only, science and technology literacy in India. So why it important? You tell me. In this one, how you have to think, Andre? I will say 2-3 ways to write, man. First one, we can take stakeholders, man. Okay, universal, Andre, they said we can say in a age group wise, like 5 to 10 age, one people, 10 age to 20 age, 21 to 30 age, 31 to 40 age. In the age wise also, we can write about what is important. Another one, profession wise, like school going kids, schooling people, working professions, the daily commuters, okay, like research analyze people, old age people. In any one perspective, you can write. It all includes that only. By profession, we can say maybe in working itself, we can write technology needed for normal illiteracy people. Working in different field, agriculture, working in science and technology, working in other child development, working in textile. Our science and technology literacy, why it is important, we have to say, man. So how we'll say, like, we can say, sir, we can go with the profession of this one. School people, schooling kids are there. Our science and technology, why it is important to learn that one, man. Schooling and college, both we can say. That means educating people who are learning. Why is science and technology important, man?
To get knowledge and compete in the world.
Like knowledge, to get the knowledge. That means each people equally, each individual should get the knowledge equally. They have to get the knowledge in the past. Truth, Raman. Everybody should get that one. That's why universalization is needed, important. Then only there can that equal level playing field is there to compete the world. Truth, Nana. See, some people access to the one thing, other people are unable to access, but they conduct same exam. How these people will survey? Okay, this working skilled labors, skilled work people idella, avarge why it is needed, man? Working people to improve the skill, the science and technology use agata.
Yes, sir.
Many people study new skill, new new program language, something they learn, man.
Yes, sir. Upskilling.
Upskilling they does by using science and technology. See, science and technology literacy, that means how to use those things only helps them to improve the skills. It's not you are learning about science and technology. Literacy, a usage then they are asking. Artha aita brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, simpler. Now we also, if the same question, if you put that in, if you share that in Google, many people don't know how to search also. Literacy illa. Nowadays, I think in Google, Gemini is coming, full answer, but it's not exact correct answer. It's okay, fine, somewhat fine only. Now, next, why research people need this one here? Why research one? For the new invention, to analyze data faster. They need research analyze people. Yeah, isn't it here? Hey, other people answer here. Where are you?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay, for old age people, why it is needed here? Why digital literacy needed for them? What they really need on literacy? They ensure safety. They should know that 112 naman to click.
Yes, sir.
Phone use ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. See, maybe our grandparents are there. We say teach them, you just press one only, it will get a call. Phone only, mobiles only. Or blindly we make them to literate on those science technology usage, security, and also to satisfy their needs, basic needs. Help agata. We can take women separately also. Exposure to the world, like not only knowledge, usage, how the civilization development, idalga this importance for the science and technology literacy is important for each one. These are important. Question another asking hurdle. Yen hurdle ide to get a knowledge, yen hurdle ide language. That may be only in English, may not be in a vernacular language. Whenever question comes, prospect, like advantage, disadvantage, like there any question comes under, whatever you have written advantage, point ಏನು disadvantage ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir.
ಆ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That will be more easier. No need to think much. Say skilling ಇದರ improve skill. ಇದು improve skilling, we can say language also. We can say that one, the skill opportunity to learn availability illa, expecting availability illa. Like whatever they expecting, that kind of upskilling we they unable to because of the science and technology. They don't get source for that one by using that also. That also we can write na. Artha aitappa?
Yes, sir.
So like that, each one you have to say the hurdles to get this literacy. What are the hurdles they face? Research and people, what the hurdle face means capital amount iralla to get that one. Maybe some science technology things they don't get a capital amount for that money. They don't have to buy that one. Affordability illa that is hurdle. Either old age either tara available only for rural urban area nalli illa. Truth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that you have to answer to this question. Discuss the importance of hurdles and innovation of, say, if you say science and technology question, this also previous questions only. Only thing is how you present. Without thinking about stakeholders, we can, if you write and you won't get more points up. Is stakeholders alone tool. To write a good answer, we have to use tools. Tools another is stakeholder perspective than tools.
Yes, sir.
When you blindly think, discuss the important science and technology, you won't get point. Simply single point, we write one page. Perspective, this digital science and technology literacy, science and technology ಏನೇನಿದೆ, mobile use, computer use, internet, AI use. According to the use also we can write perspectives. ಇದು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, while using that one, what benefit they get, what is the hurdle they face, like this perspective also you can write. It's all about how you, that momentally how you brainstorming the matters. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I will give this also next questions today. So submit this also. We'll move on next topic. Next. Henry. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೈಮಟಾಲಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಜಿಯೋಮಾರ್ಫಾಲಜಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, geomorphology one question, like that. Like when I teach only geomorphology, you feel bored only. Rock cycle, adi idu andre. So one question and one portion we'll complete, like we target 60 questions from geography. 60 questions you should know the answers. No, why we are not doing that one andre, we are making people to teach in a question based. When I teach you that all the basics, andre, you would have learned those basics in prelims exam itself. Like say I didn't teach you people about that how season changing, adala teach madilla. Reality prelims nalli they would have learned that school, then NCERT nalli would have studied those things. But it's not, you don't have time to learn all those things when you write. So what we focus andre, a question ge answer enide, a answer bari andre we are saying. That will be more compared to, see, this is a short time only, you can do this only. Solar system, that's what I said, Daman, that Earth, how Earth we said is spherical, that's the question I have said. How Earth is spherical, I have explained, Daman, that is a solar system question. That's why solar system, the only question we expect is that sphericity of Earth. That's why we go to the next geography, sorry, geomorphology, rock cycle I have discussed. So now I discussed poverty, Indian poverty and science technology one question. Today I discussed 4 questions, man. You focus on question based, man. Believe it, it really works. Okay. When you read that entire, if I teach you, see rock cycle idellappa, if I explain you how clastic, non-clastic, like intrusive rock ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, volcanic rocks ಏನೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, more deeper I discuss ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Question asked rock, primary rocks relevant question, whatever I said, if you write that, you will get a mark. Okay, that we focus on that basis, man. When we more deeper, when you try to do that one, you won't complete a syllabus. We may teach also, but you unable to write whatever we expecting this type of question answer ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. See, whatever now I said, ನಮ್ಮನ್ this skilling, schooling, this stakeholder ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏದು ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ what concept I can implement, what is mean by science and technology literacy andre I can teach, but question will come ee tara only important hurdle and enunciation of science and technology literacy only question will come. Okay, fine man. So okay, thank you man.